Hey everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to Ash's Collectibles. Today we'll be taking a look at M2 Machines, and it's going to be the Studebaker. As you can see here, it has that rusted finish. I really like that. So this is not a chase or anything like that. There's 6,504 pieces worldwide, and it has an amazing acrylic display case that's completely intact. And yeah, let's take a look at the outer box. Stuart series trucks, Studebaker. Alright, let's get to it. Let's open up and see how it looks inside. So just opening this up right here. And then one's right here. You know what? Let's just tear it up. There's no harm in that. Yeah, we collect cars here. We don't collect cardboard. So yeah, this is recycle. Alright, there it is, in all its glory. And I believe we can open the hood. Let's try doing that. Oh, it's pretty tight. Can we not open the hood? I guess it does not have an opening hood. That's surprising, considering that this is M2. Giving it all my strength right here. Oh, I guess it does not have it. Well, I guess we cannot open the hood. My bad. Sorry for the wrong information earlier. I'm really new to M2 machines. I mostly collect mini GTs and Hot Wheels. But yeah, it still looks cool nonetheless. I really like die-cast cars that has that well-worn, rusted look to it. So yeah, when I saw this, I just had to pick it up. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about this particular M2 machine. Would you pick this up if you see it on shelves? The wheels roll. We probably have to remove the screw right here, these two screws, and then this just pops right out and it rolls. It rolls. It looks really nice. It has those real rider tires. And yeah, look at the suspension down below. Man, this was designed really good. Look at that logo right there. It says toothbrush. You see it right here? All right. Thanks everyone for joining in for this unboxing of M2 machines. If you really like to see more collectibles like these, make sure to drop me a follow. I like making videos of collectible cars, Pokemon cards, and anything collectible basically. So, my name is Ash. Thanks for tuning in for Ash's Collectibles. Wherever you are in this world, I hope you all have a good afternoon, a good morning, and a good night. Thanks you all for watching. Once again, see ya.